Most beautiful places to visit in the Philippines 2020. Philippines is located at the very eastern edge of Asia. It is also known for having world-class island and rock formations. By having 7,000 islands which divided in three mainly groups called Luzon, Visayas and Mindanao are inhabited by the friendly locals and indigenous tribes. The Philippines location on the Pacific Ring of Fire and close to the equator makes the Philippines prone to earthquakes and typhoons, but also endures it with abundant natural resources and some of the world's greatest biodiversity. And in this video, I will show you the Philippines top 10 breathtaking destination that you will surely visit again. The most beautiful places to visit in the Philippines 2020. Number 10. Vigan. Vigan is the best preserved example of a planned Spanish colonial town in Asia. It was established in the 16th century. If you love historic places, Vigan is the best for you. The bucket list of most tourists to do here is to take the early Cali Crucelogo walk. The best time to do that is probably before dawn. So get ready your cameras, don't forget to taste their famous vegan losia. Number 9. Maria Cristina Falls. This is the most popular falls in the Philippines which can be found in Iligan City. It is also declared the second highest falls in the Philippines. It will captivate your heart for its enchanting beauty. Aside from being a natural beauty, Maria Cristina Falls powers the August VI hydroelectric plant which provides the power supply for Mindanao among other plants. Number 8. Banaue Rice Terraces. The Philippines is rich also in land formation. Just like this 260,000-year-old terraces had been carved to the mountain found in Apayao, Benguet Mountain Province and Ifugao. It covers a total land area of 251,778 hectares. UNESCO declared that the terrace a World Heritage Site. It is also referred to as the 8th wonder of the world. The rice terraces had been built largely by hand with hand tools and with the help also of animal power. Amazing, right now? Number 7. Chinuyan Falls. The Philippines is also known for having many different kinds of majestic waterfalls, and one of them is Chinuyan Falls. The Chinuyan Falls is in Bislig City and is known as the Little Niagara Falls of the Philippines. It is one of the widest waterfalls in the country. Mother Nature never failed to impress us, and the Philippines is one of the lucky countries for having so many beautiful and majestic environments. Number 6. Oslo Whale Shark Watching. Another main attraction apart from having a breathtaking view was swimming with the gentle giants, the whale sharks. The Oslo Whale Shark experience is rated as one of the best places to swim with the whale sharks in the Philippines. At a very reasonable price, you will have your 30 minutes snorkeling encounter with the butandings or whale shark. Make sure you will add this to your bucket list. Number 5. Chocolate Hills. Another amazing and original made by Mother Nature, the chocolate hills that can be found in Bohol City, Philippines. The hills are not only two but more than 1,268 cone-shaped hills. The chocolate hills appear to be seemingly endless when you are at the top of the Carmen town. Many geologists found it strange because of its geological formation, and the hills are spread over an area of 50 square kilometers or more and vary in size from 30 meters to 120 meters in height. Number 4. Siargao Island. Are you a beach lover? Well, apparently Siargao is one of the island best kept secrets of the Philippines. This island is known for its waves, so if you are a surfer, this place is best for you. But even if you are not a surfer, there are still activities that you can do here to enjoy your stay, just like swimming in the pool of stingless jellyfish or paddle boarding. That's crazy exciting, right? Number 2. Puerto Princesa. Puerto Princesa is the capital city of Palawan. There are so many beautiful things and do in this tropical paradise. It can be your next adventure with your family and friends. One of the most famous adventures here was going to the underground river, which was considered as one of the 7 wonders of nature and a UNESCO heritage site. Don't also forget to try island hopping. Number 1.